Another thunderstorm in Miami. Cinco de Mayo. May 5th, 2019. Happy Cinco de Mayo. You don't want to go tonight, Sarah?
Oh, I mean, I'm gonna see him, and I'm gonna have to drop off there anyway.
I'm not ready.
Well, I'm gonna tell him that we just ate lunch.
Yeah,
So we're being honest.
yeah, we'll do it again another time.
Yeah, we can do tomorrow.
No, we can't do tomorrow. Tomorrow's fine.
We can do on our way home from coffee.
You can do it after.
Plan better next Sunday is going to be Sunday. You're going to ride your bike home. You're going to kick you and Jeff out of the house.
Guys, this is Sean Michael Corey. This thunderstorm is pretty intense. It's been knocking out our power constantly. Ooh. Yeah, this is a pretty intense storm. It knocked out our power several times. And this storm is still going. I already turned off my light. My power cords are still plugged in. But if you live in the area of Miami Shores, and if your power keeps on flickering, Jesus! Did you see that?
Yep, it's one of those paintings you have to worry about.
Yeah? Yeah, so if you live in the area of Miami Shores, I could. So I'm going to show you what kind of weather we're having.
Right?
That's all because of the wind. Just using your speakers. Ooh.
Watching a movie on my iPhone.
She rejected you. You went across the street. You murdered her. Then your dad made up some bullshit story about a fire alarm to cover for you. Well, you're half right. My dad's story was bullshit. Look. I guess my dad's password and downloaded your cell phone bill. This is the night Becky died. Before he called 911, someone called him. From the Annex Foundation, they've got an answer if you've ever receiving an award. Why would you have cover for him? Because it's Crystal Valley.
Hey guys, it's been almost a day since we had the storm that knocked out our power at my dad's house. The storm started in Hollywood, Florida, and then it got progressively worse as it moved south. When we got to our house, the thunderstorm started bringing very heavy rain, and then here's what else happened. At approximately 6 p.m. yesterday, on May 5th, 2019, Cinco de Mayo, at approximately 6 p.m., the storm was so bad that approximately 6 p.m., the storm knocked out our power. And the power was out for 2 hours. Well, 3 hours. It didn't come back on until almost 9:30. And that was because of the storm with the wind and the heavy rain. So, because of that, the power was out. We had to use flashlights at around 8 p.m. and we had to cook dinner outside using a portable barbecue grill because our regular barbecue grill needed to be cleaned. So, but we tried to make spaghetti. Took a very long time. So then we made veggie burgers off the grill. And then as we sat down to eat, the electricity came back on. But in between the times when the power was out, there were a few flashes of lightning. And they were going to have it on before 9, but there were widespread power outages. That's how bad the storm was. So, be sure to like and subscribe to be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I encourage it. Thanks for watching, and happy post Cinco de Mayo.